Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on this Coleman camp stove. The story behind it is that it came from Derek's workshop and project. He was cleaning out an old trailer and he got it for free to fix it up. And he already has one and my dad already has one. I'm the only one that likes this stuff in my family that doesn't have one. And I don't think you want to go through the work of fixing it up, but I will because I'm cheap. I don't like spending money and I like this stuff. So I'm going to go through the work of fixing it up and making it look nice. It looks like it really needs a lot of cleaning. When we get into the video, you'll see that the tray below the burners is all rusted and the little pipe leading to the from the gas tank to the burners is rusted. It's all surface rust, but just needs some cleaning. This will definitely need some cleaning. It's nice to know that some of the chrome, not some, but pretty much all of the chrome is still there. The sticker's going down, but it really needs some cleaning and the outside of paint job. But we're gonna get it looking hopefully usable. We're gonna get it looking usable and hopefully looking good. Okay, first off, I'm just going to take out the parts that I do have. Okay, so I just removed 2 screws here, 2 screws here, and a screw right there. And I'm hopefully going to remove this platform. Okay, so now I got this. And I'm going to take off these. And I'm going to clean off the inside of this. And clean up this. I'm probably going to paint this red, leave this green, and leave this galvanized. Even though it is rusting a little, I'm going to have to deal with some patina on this. Okay, now everything is painted up. Yeah, I know I got it just kind of lying around, not exactly how I'd like it, but it's getting late and I work early. And I think this is going to turn into a long video, at least I hope. But come back for part 2 where I have all this stuff dry. I'll put it together, light it up. That's the other thing. I don't have any way to light it or any gas. I forgot some details, but I just want to go home and clean up. Anyway, got a nice hunter green on there. I thought hunter green was going to be close to Coleman green on my red. I guess I'm getting a little excited for Christmas or something. I don't know. Anyway, my messy shop. I will see you guys in the next one in part 2. And after part 2, I'm planning on doing my wastewater treatment plant tour from satellite imaging. So stay tuned for those 2 things. Make sure to click subscribe. I'll leave a link to Derek's workshop and project. It's a little bubble here in the end screen notations. If you liked the video, then like it. If you didn't, then thumbs it down, because either way, it's traffic and YouTube likes that. So tell them what you think of me. Leave a comment. Most likely clean, non-offensive. Subscribe, all that. That was a really long ending, but thank you guys for watching.